Alright, we're about to head out. We're gonna go see Hella do his test. He's taking his MSF course right now. Taking his MSF course, not too far. It's actually like down the street for me. So we're gonna go see him, watch him for a bit, and then I'm gonna ride with Omar to work. And from there I gotta go get a smog, not for the bike but for my car because my registration's due. So go. I got a couple plans for the bike that I want to do by May. I was thinking about gutting out the cat and then tuning it prior to me getting a full exhaust system, just to save a little bit on money and see if I like it or not, because chances are it could be loud, like way too loud. There's only one way to find out. I think I'm gonna switch the sprockets, change out the sprockets. I'm gonna take some out on the front so I can get some I think if you lower the sprocket count on the front end, it gives you faster acceleration. I forgot which one it was, bro. I gotta look into it again. But I like to have a little bit more torque. This shit's already torquey as hell, but a little bit more torque wouldn't hurt. Kawasaki know how to do it the best, though. Fuck, bro, this is a dream bike to me. It's crazy that I actually have a dream bike. It's wild. Would have ever thought. I always wanted to ride bikes, but I don't know, man. I just knew how dangerous they were, and I would always watch videos on them. And yeah, just like any other kid, I would dream of having a bike. I could never envision myself like riding a bike because I always thought it was stupid complicated, but it's really not. It's really not. And most people, they start on like a lower CC bike so they can get the grasp of handling and doing maneuvers and just get a feel for a bike overall. But I said, fuck that, bro. I'm not gonna dump money into something and have to sell it later on and not be like okay with my purchase, you know. Like, it would have been cool to have a 400, but I would have felt like, you know, like a R3 or something, or a 400, Ninja 400, but I would have just felt like the constant need to upgrade once I get comfortable, and I don't want to feel that way, because then knowing me, it's probably not going to happen, you know. I probably wasn't going to upgrade anytime soon, so like, fuck it, I'm going to jump straight into a 600, and thankfully, mine has power modes, you know, so most 600s I don't think they have power modes. I could be mistaken though, at least for this year. I don't know. I know Omar's doesn't, but his is an older model, so I guess that makes sense. But but yeah, without this low power mode, I don't know what I would do, bro. I would not be able to handle this shit in full power mode the first day I got it. I had low power mode for like maybe about a week or 2 weeks. To me even switching it to full power. They got gold all right here. So yeah, if you guys don't know where I'm from, I stay in Newark and Fremont area. A little up north from San Jose. Down south from Oakland. It's hella peaceful out here, for the most part. yeah, starting on a 600, it's great. I love it. It's my old high school right here. And it's my old college right here, right across the street from each other. Hey, let's fucking go. Now that's crazy though. I used to go here while I was in high school for my senior year. I was in college. Took college courses to get credit early. Still haven't even graduated that shit yet. See where Omar's out real quick, because fuck, I ain't trying to pull up here by myself. Man, that boy hella far. What the fuck? Damn. Fuck that, I ain't waiting. Hell no. That shit. There he is right there, practicing and shit. Somebody brought their own bike. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, what is that shit? All right, y'all. I'm gonna stop the vlog right here. A little mini vlog, nothing too crazy. We'll stop right here, and then I'll pick up. Let's see, after Omar gets here, and then we ride to work, and then that'll be the end of it. Once we get to work, I'll probably grab some food, and then head over to get my smog done for my car. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.